how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Bybit. So if you want to find your Bitcoin wallet address on your Bybit, then what you need to do is first you need to launch your Bybit application. After opening your Bybit application, now you want to go ahead and then click on assets, which will be in the bottom. Now here it will going to show you the amount of the crypto assets that you have. So all you have to do is just simply tap on the deposit option. On the next page, you're going to see deposit crypto. Tap on it. Now here you will have a search bar, right? This search bar has a Bitcoin option. You can just simply go and search for Bitcoin, or if you don't find it, you can just simply search for BTC and tap on the Bitcoin option. Now you're going to see this page. Select this particular one that says BTC. Then this is going to be your address. For that, you need to first identify your verification. Once you've done with your verification, you will have your deposit address. Just tap on BTC and you will find your address. You will have your QR code, you will have your wallet address, your minimum deposit amount, or all of the other options right there. So that's how you can find your BTC address. You can just simply go and copy it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.